you want to measure some elastic to fit the child and place the elastic right behind the mask here. And we're going to staple it from the front, going through the elastic to the back. And then you want to make sure that it was secure and use a little bit of soft tape to cover up the staple so that you won't, so the staple won't be scratching the person who's wearing the mask. So electrical tape is good. It comes in a lot of different colors and it sticks well. So, and that's a nice soft way to finish that off, and it won't show from the front. And then do the same on the other side. Making sure that it's secure. It didn't go through. So, and you can trim off any excess. Put another piece of tape over anything that's going to be scratchy. And then to finish off our chickadee mask, we're going to put a good strip of glue here, nice and thick. And I've cut a little bit of yellow boa just to cover the top, and you want to glue that down nicely. So what's nice about this mask is that it doesn't cover the child's nose or mouth. It leaves everything clear for breathing. The fun foam is very soft, and the decoration being up on the forehead stays out of the child's line of vision.